my dear children. Welcome to science class. I hope you all are safe at your places. In today's class, we will be learning about chapter number 9, whose title is A House, a Home. So children, let's learn about this chapter in details. All living things need shelter to live in. You live in your house, isn't it? Why do we need house? We need house to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, etc. So, every living thing need a shelter to live in. Early man used to live in caves. They used to protect themselves from rain, storm, heat by living in caves. There are different types of houses. Later on, people learned to make houses and they developed different kinds of houses. In this chapter, we will be learning about the different kinds of houses in details. So children, let's find out the types of houses. Number 1 is permanent house. Children, we all live in permanent houses, isn't it? But many of us live in temporary houses also. We will be learning in details about these houses. Next, stilt house. Next is igloo. Children, igloo is found in cold areas. Next, caravan. It is a moving house. Next is houseboat. Children, do you know where do we find houseboat? Yes, it is found in Jammu and Kashmir, in Dal Lakes, isn't it? So houseboat is another kind of moving houses. Next is tent. So children, these are some of the kinds of houses found. We will be learning in details about these types of houses. Children, let's begin learning these types of houses in details. Children, let's learn about the types of houses in details. Number 1 is permanent house. These houses are also known as Pakka house. Now, what are the characteristics of permanent house or Pakka house? First one is, these houses are made up of bricks, cement, sand and stones. Children, Pakka houses or permanent houses are made up of bricks, stones, cement and sand. Hence, they last for many years. Children, these Pakka houses last for many years. They do not get destroyed easily. Next is, they are strong houses. Children, Pakka houses are made up of cement, sand and stone and hence they are very strong. They do not get easily destroyed and hence last for many years. Next is temporary house. These houses are also known as Kacha houses. So, these houses are weaker. Now, these temporary houses are made up of bamboo, mud, straw. Children, these Kacha houses are usually made up of bamboo, mud or straw. So, these are weaker. They easily get destroyed by heavy storm. Now, they last for a very short time and they are weaker houses and hence they are called Kacha house. Now, children, after temporary and permanent house, the third type of house is stilt house. Now, these houses are made where it rains heavily. Children, these are the special type of houses which are built in the places where it rains heavily. It is made 10 to 12 feet above the ground. Children, these houses are also a kind of hanging houses. They are built 10 to 12 feet above the ground. They are made on bamboo and wooden poles. So children, these houses are made on bamboo sticks and also on wooden poles. Walls, floors, roof are made by bamboo in these houses. These houses are usually found in Assam in India. Children, Assam is an area where it rains heavily, so stilt houses are usually found in Assam. They are made usually 10 to 12 feet above the ground and they are made on bamboo and wooden poles. Now, moving on to our fourth number of house is igloo. Children, have you ever seen an igloo? In pictures, isn't it? So, igloos are the large blocks of hard snow when combined together and made in a kind of cave kind of a shape that is known as igloo. These are built by Eskimos in polar area. Children, we have two polar areas, that is North Pole and South Pole. These are also known as Arctic region and Antarctic region. So igloos are usually found in polar area or polar regions. So Eskimos are the people who live inside the igloo, or Eskimos are those people who make this igloo. Igloo is usually made up of large blocks of hard snow. So these igloos are usually found in colder region where there is snow, where there is very much cold. There igloos are found. They melt in summer. This is again one of the characteristics of igloo, which melt in summer. So children, summer is the season of hot where the temperature rises and hence snow melts. So igloos are made up of snow and hence in summer, due to hot and humid condition, igloos melt. Now children, let's move on to our next type of house, which is caravan. So children, have you seen caravan? Caravan is a house on wheels. It is made on a van, a vehicle. A house is built inside a van and that kind of house is known as caravan. So it is also known as house on wheels. So you can move in this house from one place to another. So it is built on a carriage. This carriage is either pulled by motor engines or by animals. Next, house boat. Children, as the name reveals, it is a house which is made on a boat. So it is built on boats. It is made up of woods. Tourists love to stay here, and where it is found? It is found in Kashmir in India. As I told you before, in Jammu and Kashmir, Dal Lakes, the houseboat is very famous. There houseboats are found. And tourists, the people who go to travel there, love to stay there. Next, tent. Tent is a temporary shelter. Have you seen the tent, children? It is like triangular in shape. It is made up of cloth whose name is canvas. A special type of cloth named canvas is used in making tent. So travelers live here. Those people who roam around from one place to another, they used to live in tent. Since it is a temporary shelter, they can shift this shelter from one place to another easily. It is foldable, flexible and easy to carry. I hope this chapter till now is clear to all of you all. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.